Hi, let's get started with our core product, Smart Security System. Our system is from Aerotek, a global brand offering graded security solutions. The systems are professionally installed by TrueSafe in-house certified technicians. Every site's environment is unique. Our specialists will suggest security solutions that are ideal for you. It all starts with the panel. It can either be zero-wire, a fully wireless panel, or X-Gen hybrid panel that supports both wired and wireless sensors. To secure the premises, it is best to have all entries protected, from doors to windows, PIR sensors for movement detection, glass break sensors to detect breakage of glass panels, shock sensors to detect vibrations. The security can be further enhanced by adding outdoor motion and photo beam for perimeter protection. Beside alarm sensors, smoke and heat detectors are equally important as they safeguard your life against fire incidents. One of our favorite features of the Smart Security System is the customer's ability to use the mobile app to control and arm or disarm the system on the go. In this system, every sensor counts. Notifications keep you in the loop about what's going on in the building. If a sensor is triggered, you'll get an alert and can view or bypass the area. There is more. Not always alert to notifications? Get Chubb's professional monitoring. 24/7 professional monitoring means there's a trained response team at Chubb Monitoring Center who are standing by to take action whenever an alarm is triggered. Generally, the process goes like this. Firstly, when an alarm is triggered in your home, you will receive an immediate notification to your mobile device that an alarm is going off. At the same time, the professionals at the monitoring center will also be immediately alerted. Next, the monitoring center will immediately attempt to call your emergency contact to verify whether everything is okay or if you need police dispatch. If the professional monitoring center isn't able to get in touch with you, they will dispatch emergency services to your location, as in police, fire department, or medical aid. The security system goes beyond protecting your premises, offering some basic home automation solutions. Without being physically there, just click the light switch to turn on/off the lights. Stay in touch with your family by simply tapping the camera icon to see live feeds or recorded video clips. Arrived at home but left the keys in the workplace? Just press unlock and the door is open. Everything that awaits you can be tracked and managed in your hand. TrueSafe solutions offer the perfect blend of convenience, control, and peace of mind for you and your family. TrueSafe makes safes smarter.